Hi friends, today I'm going to demonstrate my Omega wall oven which has got a broken handle. So this is how it is at the moment. We got two different parts, and the nut and the plate has fallen in between this, so we cannot actually fix it from the outside. It's been here since like this since days. Today I got some time, so I just decided to fix it. So the handle is broken and it's separate. There are several videos in YouTube which showing the removal of the hinge. You can see it here. The removal of for the hinge of almost all the ovens are similar, so there are several videos which you can refer. In this case I have actually removed the hinge. I can demonstrate it to you when I fix it back. Yeah. So I'm just going to demonstrate what articles you need. So just a star screwdriver, some damp clothes, some tissues to and some decent grease remover so that you can clean the inner areas of the oven. So this is the actual place. So there is only are like three screws on one side on the bottom and the three on the other side. These both screws, they are attaching the hinge, and this is the only screw we need to, this one and this one, they are the only screws we need to undo to get the cover off. So I'm just going to take those screws off. The other screw as well off. So these are the screws which are removed from here. You can see this one and this one. I'm just lifting this part away. So yeah, that's a separate piece now, and this is the actual front glass piece of the oven. And these were then the plates and the screws which has fallen inside. One, two, which goes in here, and you got the handle here. So just lay the glass surface on a damp cloth to protect the glass from breaking. So I'm just now going to fix the handle. So the handle goes like this, like a smiley face. That goes on the behind. And this is one plate with the washer and the screw. The washer goes in between the glass piece and the metal. This is the other set which goes on the other side. So just tightening the screws. This is going to actually hold the handle perfectly. So just tighten the screws as much as you can. So now the screws are well and fixed. So you can see that this is the actual inside piece of the which comes against the glass. So I have given this part a good clean with the grease remover. So you can see there is no oil or anything at the moment, though it's a bit old. So just going to fix these two parts together. This is the hatch which we have initially placed. So the logic behind this one is just to hang this part to this small piece, just like you do a wall hanging. So you can see the inside of this part. This is like bent. You can see it's bent. and this part is actually going to hang against the small metal piece, this one. So it's like simple, but I can do once again, lifting it up, just hanging it against the two metal pieces. So now you can see that it's well stuck together, it's not falling apart, so it's actually hanging to the metal piece. So you can actually see that the rubber washers has fallen off, which stays inside to just prevent it from rubbing against the metal. So I'm just going to put it back in place, the one on the either side, just to prevent the rubbing. That's it. So now the next thing we need to put it, you can see these two plates protruding outside, so you need to apply a bit of pressure and put these plates inside and lock it in. For that you need to actually apply some pressure. So I'm just going to apply some pressure and put that inside. So you can see that I have pushed the metal piece inside, so this needs to go inside like this. It is a bit hard, so it's better if you get help from someone else. So you can see that the screw notches are aligning. I've placed a small book in between to help me with the closure. Now I'm going to push the other one as well inside. Just pushing the second bit as well inside. So now you can see the second metal piece also has gone inside and the screw notches are in align. So I'm just going to pull the support off, putting it straight, and I'm just going to put the screws on either sides. So just tightening both the screws back into position as we removed it initially. Just tighten it. I've got slippery hands because of the oil. Okay, that's done. Now we got your full handle fixed. Handle is intact, it's not falling apart. So just going to fix the whole door as into the oven. So you can see that when we removed, actually we got a space to clean all the food scrapes, and the oil has been, this part was all fuzzy, it was all clean now. So I'm just going to put the two metal pieces into the notch to lock it, and this is the actual lock, which can be, this is how you initially open it. You remove this lock off and pull that apart, and same way I'm going to just now I have put the metal pieces into the notch and then locking the hinge. So now it's locked and it's fixed, so the doors are no more wobbly. It's fixed, working, clean. Thank you.